Let me show you everything you can edit in an existing project. First, open the Projects section. Then, click on a project to open it. Let's start with the Project Settings section. The intro shows your logo in big, plus the title and property location. If you don't want the intro, just tap the button to hide it from the beginning of your video. The outro shows your logo and contact info at the end. Simply choose if you'd like to include it. To remove the outro, just tap the button to hide it. Now you can choose whether to display your logo throughout the video or hide it entirely. Click the button if you prefer not to show your logo during the video. Same for your profile picture. You can choose to display it throughout the video or keep it hidden. Now let's move to the Listing Details section. This is where you can edit your property information at any time. Now let me show you how to change the graphic template with just one click. Scroll through the templates, select the one you want to use, and click Save. Template change done. Now let's move on to an important section. Edit shot and captions. Here you'll find all your video shots. You can change their order by clicking the arrows. If you want to re-edit a video shot, just click the Edit button. You can readjust the lighting if needed and also edit the speed of the video. Once you're finished, just click Done to save your edits. Your changes are now being saved. Just click Done again to complete. We're back in the main editing section. You can still make changes if needed, or click Export Video if you're satisfied with your project. Wait a few moments while the app puts everything together. Then, you can choose to save the video to your phone's library or export it directly to social media or another app.